Yo, what's up guys? I'm back again, unboxing my parcel. And this time, I have the Lamborghini Countach, the newest version of Countach, not the old one. Oh, wow! So they have a screwdriver here. Wow. So the seller is generous, huh? Oh, right, at the box you can already see what it contains. So the box, well, pretty much it is what it is, nothing else inside. So if you're gonna see here, it's what it is. Okay, let's go. Some bubble wraps. Oh, I like the packaging here. I think the car is way too big compared to my other diecast cars. Wait a minute, I'm gonna grab my other previous boxes of diecast. And yeah, compared to my other cars, these are the cars that I have, the other Lambos. Okay. You see that? Those are my other cars. And I will not get all cars. Wait a minute. Okay, more Lambos here incoming. Okay. This is my box. My previous box. And this was the box of the BYD compared to this Countach. Both 164 by the way. They are just very similar in designs. I mean, in box design and packaging. That's what I mean. Alright. This one is impressive, eh? Look at that. I like that. And since we have a small screwdriver here, we're going to unscrew that. Some scotch tapes here to glue this acrylic casing. Okay, we are going to remove it now. So shall I remove it? Size and dimension wisely for comparison, they are a bit on par with each other. By the way, this is the Essenza, the Lamborghini Essenza. Okay, the size is kinda true scale. I will just unscrew this in a moment. By the way, these are the placement of the screws. Sorry for that. Okay. Alright, now that I already unscrewed this, so I'm not sure where did they... so this is the stand, kind of stand of the car. So some labels here. It says here Lamborghini Countach LPI 804. Sorry about the camera. Okay, so dimension wisely. I like it. It has a side mirrors too. Opening doors or opening parts or panels, there's none. Okay, looking at the rear part. Okay, the details is good. It says here Countach. Okay, the front side, it's fine. Yeah, that's pretty much it. All the details. At the bottom part, it says here Lamborghini Countach LPI 804. Okay, let's check it. Rolling test, it rolls wisely. I mean, it rolls good. And I am quite impressed, to be honest, because the seller gave us the screwdriver for this. And yeah, there you go. That's the Lamborghini Countach 164 of Burago. Like and subscribe.